You see US flags everywhere, but have you ever wondered how they're installed? We're Colonial Flag, and we don't just sell flags, we install giant flagpoles. And today I'm going to show you how we installed two 60-foot poles in Salt Lake City, Utah. We unloaded the pole, which comes in 3 sections, and put them together. You have to make sure they're properly aligned before the sections are joined to form a compact unit. For this pole, the sleeve measures 6 feet and serves as the foundation that secures the pole in place. Once the pole sections are joined together, they are secured, and the internal wiring is installed, as this pole has a light at the top that illuminates the flag. Now we move on to the most exciting part, raising the flagpole. We secure it in 2 spots, then the crane lifts it vertically so our installers can guide it properly into the sleeve. To make sure the pole is perfectly straight in its base, we take measurements, and once it's fully aligned, we secure it with sand to keep it in place. We repeat the same process with the second pole, and this is the final result. Now you know how these giant flagpoles are installed. And remember, we are Colonial Flag.